Hello friends, welcome to the last topic of precipitation titration. That is, assay of sodium chloride carried out by precipitation titration. So let's start this video. Assay of sodium chloride carried out by precipitation titration. The assay of sodium chloride, NaCl, can be determined using various analytical techniques, but one of the most straightforward methods is a simple volumetric titration with a silver nitrate, AgNO3, solution. Here's a step-by-step procedure for determining the assay of sodium chloride. Materials and reagents used. Sodium chloride, NaCl, sample of unknown concentration. Silver nitrate, AgNO3, solution of known concentration, titrant. Potassium chromate, K2CrO4, indicator solution. Distilled water, burette, Erlenmeyer flask, stirring rod, white porcelain crucible, Bunsen burner or hot plate, glass funnel, filter paper, analytical balance. Procedure. First, sample preparation. Weigh a known amount of the sodium chloride, NaCl, sample accurately using an analytical balance. Record the mass of the sample. Second, dissolution. Transfer the weighed NaCl sample into a clean, dry Erlenmeyer flask. Add a small amount of distilled water to dissolve the sample. Ensure complete dissolution. Third, indicator solution. Add a few drops of potassium chromate, K2CrO4, indicator solution to the flask. The indicator will help you visualize the endpoint of the titration. Fourth, titration. Fill the burette with the standardized silver nitrate, AgNO3, solution. Fifth, titration process. Begin the titration by carefully adding the silver nitrate solution drop by drop into the Erlenmeyer flask containing the dissolved NaCl while stirring constantly. A white precipitate of silver chloride, AgCl, will form as a result of the reaction between AgNO3 and NaCl. AgNO3 plus NaCl to give AgCl, precipitate plus NaNO3. Sixth, endpoint detection. Continue adding the silver nitrate solution until you observe a faint reddish-brown color change in the solution. This color change indicates the endpoint of the titration. Record volume. Record the volume of silver nitrate solution required to reach the endpoint. This volume is used for further calculations. Calculations. Use the volume and concentration of the silver nitrate solution and the stoichiometry of the reaction to calculate the assay of sodium chloride in the sample. The formula for calculating assay is assay of NaCl equal to volume of AgNO3 in ml into concentration of AgNO3 mole per liter divided by NaCl sample in gram, whole into 58.44 into 100. Where the molar mass of NaCl is 58.44 grams per mole. This formula will give you the percentage of sodium chloride in the sample. Note: remember to perform this titration carefully, ensuring accurate measurements and observations. Proper laboratory safety precautions should also be followed, including wearing appropriate protective gear and working in a well-ventilated area. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, then please kindly do a subscribe to our channel. Thank you.